The International Residential Code, or IRC, does not provide a specific definition of a kitchen. However, it does define a cooking appliance as an appliance that utilizes energy to accomplish the cooking process, as stated in IRC section 102. The presence of plumbing for a sink with a disposal does not necessarily make an area a kitchen. The key factor is the presence of permanent cooking appliances. If there are no plans to install permanent cooking appliances and only a countertop microwave will be used, then the area would likely not be considered a kitchen under the IRC. Ultimately, the OJ, or authority having jurisdiction, has the authority to interpret the code and determine if an area meets the definition of a kitchen. However, the guidelines mentioned earlier provide a reasonable basis for making this determination. When making their decision, the AHA may consider several factors. Firstly, the presence of a sink with a disposal could be a factor. Secondly, the availability of plumbing for a dishwasher might be considered. Thirdly, the presence of a range hood or other ventilation system could influence the decision. Fourthly, the size and layout of the area can be a factor. Fifthly, the owner's intended use of the space is also considered. To avoid any potential issues, it is advisable to consult with the AHA before making any significant changes to the space. The AHA can provide guidance on whether the area is considered a kitchen and what requirements apply. So, in summary, the definition of a kitchen according to the IRC is not explicitly stated, but the presence of permanent cooking appliances is a key factor. The AHA has the final say in interpreting the code, and they will consider various factors to determine if an area qualifies as a kitchen. Consulting with the AHA is always recommended to ensure compliance with local codes and regulations.